Now, the Trayvon Martin case isn't the only one that is raising issues about stand your ground. An appeals court in Tampa says the defense can even be used on a school bus. The Miami Herald is reporting about a story of a middle school student who was found guilty of battery. Let's break it down for you. The bus driver testified that a girl grabbed the boy's jacket, pulled him onto the seat, and then punched him. The girl, by the way, disputed this claim. We're not even sure if she faced any charges, but the boy did fight back. The case went to court. A judge blocked usage of stand your ground. The boy appealed, and the case got sent back to circuit court, where a judge will now decide whether the case should be dismissed based on the stand your ground law. Joining us now, defense attorney Danny Cevallos and attorney and former criminal prosecutor Faith Jenkins. Danny, Faith, thank you so much for being here. Let's talk about this notion. Should stand your ground apply in a school bus fight? Not just the notion of the fact that it's happening on a school bus, but in a school bus fight, those things happen likely daily around the country. Faith, let's start with you.
Well, in Florida, the statute is very broad. Anyone can invoke stand your ground defense if they are in a place where they are legally entitled to be. The lower court judge found that the statute only applied to if you were in your home or in your car. That's incorrect. The statute is very broad, and the higher court recognized that, and that's why the decision was reversed and sent back to the lower court. Doesn't matter if you're on a school bus or a street corner under Florida statute. If you're legally entitled to be where you are, you can invoke stand your ground.
But Danny, let's talk about the limits that this has, because again, I go back to the fact that you probably had one of those fights on a school bus growing up.
Oh, I was the recipient of many beatings on the school bus, unfortunately. The thing to understand about stand your ground is that the statute creates a presumption in certain areas. In other words, if you're in your home or your car, and oh, what a difference, had George Zimmerman been in his car when this altercation started, this case may never have made it to trial. So it creates a presumption that the use of force is proper. Anywhere else, the defendant has to prove it. So Faith is absolutely right. It doesn't matter. You can be in a school bus, you can be in a park, you can be eating green eggs and ham. Wherever you are, you may be able to apply stand your ground as a defense. There is no guarantee that if you're in your home or car, it applies, but there is a statutory presumption. Once you get outside that locus, as long as you're somewhere you're lawfully allowed to be, it is very, very broad in Florida. If you can prove it, preponderance of the evidence, you can invoke stand your ground immunity.
And another key is that you're not engaged in an unlawful activity. I'm concerned. I want to put this question to both of you, and this is sort of, 60,000-foot level. What kind of message is this sending to our kids and to our teens?
Well, the difference between stand your ground and regular defense laws is there's no duty to retreat. So you don't have to stand down, you don't have to count to 10, there's no obligation to try to quell a dispute. You can use force in the beginning, and it takes away that choice, that limitation, and that message that we want to send to our kids. If you don't have to resort to violence, don't. But the stand your ground statute says just the opposite. If you have that option, you can take it, and you're not going to be held accountable if you actually had the opportunity to retreat and you didn't.
Danny, final thought.
Yeah, when applied, there won't be that many differences between self-defense and stand your ground. The real criticism is stand your ground as a policy, what effect, what incentives it creates. That's the real criticism on a global macro sort of level. That needs to be sussed out.
All right, Danny Cevallos, Faith Jenkins, always a pleasure and a delight to have you both here, lending your voices to the conversation. Appreciate you both. Have a great day.